all about hanging spider egg sacs. Start with a thin nylon rope, knot them in the middle however long you want. Inflate your balloon. I believe this was 18 inches to 24 inches. I don't remember. Place it in a deep container on your spinning wheel. We're going to start with the hanging open egg sac. Turn your balloon upside down. Put the center of your knot on the base and evenly spread your nylon. Not evenly. You leave a large opening at the front of the balloon. That's where you're going to cut because it's an open egg sac, as if the egg sac burst. And connect the nylon rope to the balloon with scotch tape. Place your ends in the container. Wear your mask, gloves, and start foaming. Using a LePage tight foam, go in a circular direction. You're going to do about half of the balloon. Let it dry, and then the next day flip. So the dried part is in the deep container. And now I am taping two extra pieces just at the front of where my opening is, and I had a contraption in the ceiling where I'm hanging my nylon rope from. So continue with your foam, and I'm leaving a gap because I'm going to burst the balloon in that area. Use a long serrated knife to cut anything sticking off the balloon. The balloon should be smooth and oval. Next, get your short form rasp shaver to smooth the balloon. Here, pop in the opening. Just use your knife and cut whatever shape you want your opening to be. Use your short form rasp shaver to smooth the sides of the opening. You don't want them pointy. I'm spray painting styrofoam balls which I had cut in half or a quarter to distort them or to melt them. Use a hot glue gun to connect your balls inside your egg. Use the whole balls at the bottom. When you get closer to the top, you use the ones which are distorted by the spray paint. And place your light in your egg sac where you want it and build around it with the styrofoam balls. You should be able to have easy access to your light, but at the same time it should be hidden. This is the finished result with the submersible light inside, controlled via a remote. Adhere the balloon to the container using painter's tape. Using the expanded foam, go in a circular direction on the balloon. Hang the nylon rope from the ceiling just to get it out of the way, and tape the nylon rope on the balloon. Finish applying the expanding foam. Use a knife to cut a rectangle. That's where your light is going, or the entrance for your light. Use a zip tie to push into the piece which was removed, just to create a little hook to grab onto. These are the results.